Welcome to PINZHENG's battery assembly facility. Witness the precision behind every high-performance cell. A state-of-the-art production environment with standardized layouts, ensuring seamless workflow and efficiency. Our expert technicians perform precision assembly from cell matching to rigorous BMS welding, with meticulous attention to detail. Integrated semi-automated equipment enhances manufacturing precision while maintaining strict product consistency. Multi-stage quality inspections ensure every battery delivered is safe, reliable, and built for long cycle life. PINZHENG Direct Factory Premium Quality. Partner with us for global wholesale excellence. WhatsApp +861 89381 for 3947.